everybody, and welcome to Wondering Wednesday. Today's segment is What's in the Box? We are back with another Teach Sparkle Pop box. This one is for the month of October. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So right on top here, looks like a piece of paper. So let's see what it says. Okay, so this is just sort of a, it looks like it's a sort of a list of all the cool things that are in the box, but I'm not going to read that now because I don't want to be spoiled. I'm going to set it to the side. Another card about posting about it on social media, like from the first box. Okay, sparkly goodness. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh goodness. This looks like a bunch of really neat things right in here. Cute little orange bag. So the theme for October is Hello Pumpkin, Hello Fall. So we got a little sticker here with the theme. And then inside this baggie here, we've got some pumpkin socks. Very nice. This is a petty in a box. Ooh. Very nice there. A little bit of a spa day. More spa stuff, a bath potion. That sounds cool. I'll be spoiling myself one of these days. Keep going. A pumpkin spice tea drop. So some pumpkin-y tea. That sounds good. And then finally, the last little thing in here, some lip balm. And that's also pumpkin spice. I like that. Okay. So, we got a good snack in here. Some cheddar caramel popcorn. Yummy. I love the Halloween colors in here. This is another tote bag. I'm gonna be really excited. It is. Okay, so to join my zombie tote bag from last month's L crate, I've got a pumpkin-y tote bag to go with it. Very neat. Oh, there's so many things in here. Little package. Let's see what we got. Oh no, I ripped it. Oh, it looks like note cards that say Happy Fall. Maybe some of my students might get some surprise note cards in the mail. I love that. And then a couple more things in here. Oh, this one's all wrapped up. I like the polka dots. I'm getting there. Oh goodness. There's more in here than I thought. Okay. Oh, cool. These are some planner stickers, it looks like. Fall themed. Right in there. Put this in my planner for this month. Those are very cute. The next one's the best. Wait till you see the bear. Very cute. Put that down there. And it looks like the pencils from last month came this month. So there's some really awesome pencils. And that is all we've got in our box. So thank you to Teach Sparkle Pop. We'll have one more of these next month. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.